Xiaomi has launched two new smartphones, the Redmi 6 and the Redmi 6A, at an event in China. And here is everything you need to know about it. The first, the Redmi 6 is the successor of last year's Redmi 5, and it gets highlights like face unlock, an 18:9 display and a dual rear camera setup that is mounted horizontally at the back along with a rear mounted fingerprint sensor. The Redmi 6A on the other hand is the successor of the Redmi 5A. It too gets an 18:9 display and it misses out on a dual camera setup at the back, nor does it get the rear mounted fingerprint sensor. Both these phones sport a 5.45-inch HD Plus display with an 18:9 aspect ratio and a pixel density of 295 ppi. The phones have an 80.7% screen to body ratio, are dual SIM devices and have dedicated microSD card slots. Now the Redmi 6 is powered by the Helio P22 processor and it comes in two variants, one with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage and the other with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. The Redmi 6A on the other hand is powered by a Helio A22 SoC and it comes with only one variant, that is 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage. As we know, both the phones have a dedicated microSD card slot and accept cards up to 256GB. Connectivity options on the Redmi 6 and the Redmi 6A include Bluetooth 4.2, Wi-Fi, GPS, AGPS, a microUSB port and a headphone jack. And both these phones have a 3000 mAh battery. While talking about the optics, the Redmi 6 has a dual camera setup at the back consisting of a 12 megapixel primary sensor and a 5 megapixel secondary sensor with a pixel size of 1.25 microns. The camera also gets AI capabilities built in. At the front, it has a 5 megapixel selfie camera. The Redmi 6A on the other hand gets a single 13 megapixel camera with an f2.2 aperture and face detection autofocus, which is one less compared to the Redmi 6. It also has a 5 megapixel selfie camera on the front that has portrait feature for selfies and video calling. We're talking about the price of both these devices. The Redmi 6 is priced at 799 Chinese yuan, that is roughly 8,400 rupees for the 3GB RAM variant that gets 32GB of internal storage, while it is priced at 999 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 10,500 rupees for the 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage variant. The Redmi 6A on the other hand is priced at 599 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 6,300 rupees for the lone 2GB RAM 16GB storage variant. Both phones will go on their first sale on Friday, June 15th at 10 AM CST in their home country. And that is everything we know about the Redmi 6 and the Redmi 6A. And for all things tech, stay tuned to gadgets360.com.